Hello guys, welcome to MS Tech Beat, and today I'm gonna to show you how to download any book for free and read it by using only one app. So first of all, you need to download this app. So go to the Play Store and search any books, and that's it. This is the app you need to download, and just download this app and open it. So I already downloaded it. So here you have lots of books for reading, and also you search your favorite book or author name. Let me download a one book and show to you how is gonna work. So here is a download button. So you want to sign in with Google or Facebook. So I simply sign in with Google. So here my account is added and the downloading is start. After downloading the book, you see here it shows downloaded. So simply just tap on read, and here is your book is fully accessible. So for watching and be connected to the MS Tech Beat, and if you like it, then share it with your buddies, and bye bye.